I'm staying home and being safe at this period of time. Coronavirus is around, so please stay home. I'm going to do something and learn something all the time. So now I'm just going to practice my small little ukulele and changing a few words from the original song. So I hope you can listen. Thank you. You can dance every dance with the guy who gives you the eye. Let him hold you tight. You can smile every smile with the man who held your hand beneath the pale moonlight. But don't forget who's not taking you home and in whose home you're not gonna be. So darling, don't save the last dance for me. Oh, I know that the music fine, that's sparkling one. Go and have your fun. Laugh and sing, but when we're apart, you can give your heart to anyone. But don't forget who's not taking you home and in whose home you're not gonna be. So darling, don't save the last dance for me. So darling, don't save the last dance for me. So darling, don't save the last dance for me. Hey, social distancing. Stay safe. Don't touch. No touching. Don't touch the hand. Don't touch your face. Don't touch your eyes. Don't rub your hair. There's also coronavirus in the hair. Don't touch your hair. Wash your hands. Wash your hand with soap. Soapy water. I'm Nancy, your friend. Stay safe. Bye.